Frieze Carpet Guide. What is a frieze carpet? Frieze is a type of plush carpet with a ribbed texture. It's generally made from wool or synthetic materials, and can be quite expensive. Wool is durable and resistant to staining, while synthetic fibers are less expensive but may not last as long. It's often multicolored, but it may also be a single color. Dark colors will hide dirt and footprints better than light colors, while traditional styles like Berber will better match most homes than modern patterns. In essence, it's the modern version of the old shag carpets that were so popular in the 1960s and 70s because of their distinctive knobby look. It is distinct and clean in appearance. Its compact twists make it more durable than other carpet designs. Frieze carpet is dense and durable, making it a popular choice for high-traffic areas like hallways, staircases, and family rooms. It's generally considered a casual-style carpet, so you may want to choose something else for more formal rooms. A frieze carpet is a cut pile carpet with longer, tightly twisted fibers. Pile lengths typically measure between 1/2 and 3/4 inch. Is frieze or plush carpet better? Frieze carpets are more durable and easier to clean than plush carpets, making them a better choice for busy areas. They're also slightly less expensive than plush carpets, so they may be a better option if you're on a budget. Is frieze carpet good for pets? The fibers used in these types of carpets do a good job at hiding dirt, making them ideal for people who have pets or young children. Its tight, twisted fibers make it resistant to shedding and matting, and it's also easy to clean. Just be sure to choose a pet-friendly fiber like wool or polyester to avoid stains and odors. Frieze carpets are also good for homes with cats. The twisted fibers are durable and resistant to unraveling. How do you clean frieze carpets? You can vacuum them regularly to remove dirt and debris, and spot clean them as needed. Just be sure to use a mild detergent, and avoid overwetting the carpet, as this can cause the fibers to become matted. If you have any stubborn stains, you can hire a professional carpet cleaning company to clean your carpets. This is the best way to ensure that your carpets are properly cleaned. Can I shampoo frieze carpet? It is recommended that you vacuum your frieze carpet before shampooing it, to get rid of any built-up dirt or debris. If you don't, the dust particles will mix with water and stick to the carpet unless rinsed very thoroughly. The next stage is to get rid of the most obvious stains. Make certain you use a high-quality stain removal product. You can now begin rinsing your frieze carpet with water. The good news is that you may use any shampoo you have in your home to clean it. However, if you desire a deeper clean, there are specific carpet shampoos that can help. Does frieze carpet show footprints? Friezes are smooth and feature a lot of texture, making them ideal for reducing tracking marks. Although their lengthy fibers move about freely, their loose pile and tightly twisted yarns scatter light particles, resulting in little reflection. How much does frieze carpet cost? The cost of frieze carpet varies depending on the quality and quantity you purchase. If you buy in bulk, you may be able to get a discount. Also, the carpet's density and fiber type will affect the price. Frieze carpets are a great option for anyone looking for a stylish and durable flooring solution. They are perfect for high-traffic areas, and they can withstand even the messiest of toddlers. Contact us at Go Carpet Cleaning for our 5-star carpet cleaning, and we'll be more than happy to help you with your carpet care. To learn more, visit our website www.gocarpetcleaningatlanta.com or call us at 678-818-5698.